Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. So you know what? The market yesterday actually was just going crazy. It went down, up, and stuff like that. So usually you should be like extra safe in the market. You should be extra safe in the market. So don't forget that later on we go on a live session. Sorry, we go on a live session where we take sometimes we just actually we do the analysis, and if there is an opportunity, then we can take the trade. When we say before the market open, we're talking about the US open, actually NASDAQ open, because we're focusing on that. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and you can also smash the make sure that you do the notification, so that when we go live or when I send anything about the updates, you know that, you know what, you're not going to miss that, right? So it's Friday. Let's not fight the market. So let's see what's really happening. Let's see what's really happening. Or before I go that, let's go like on the advert first, because we need to make money, guys. We need to make money. So here is the advert. Get funded with Traders Central to kickstart your trading career and make the profit that you deserve, and you will get access to TradingView, my FX book, and many more, and enjoy Traders Central ecosystem and so much more on their marketplace. Link in my description. Check the link, then you will start to enjoy more of the funding. Thanks. Okay, yeah, I hope you saw that. At least we went to the break because we need to eat. We need to eat. So let me just check something very quick. Recording. Yeah, I'm done with that. So let's see what's really happening, guys. Sorry about that. So at least you saw the advert, because, guys, we need to eat. Sometimes you need to watch this type of adverts because they pay something. So they give us something. So at least I can have that. I can able to pay my fiber. Then that will be some extra, like, let's say, -1 problem. So what's really happening here is, guys, we are on German 30, and it seems like, or we can see that let me just remove this. I don't want this to disturb you. What's really happening here is you can nicely see that, you know what, the market was on a very nice downtrend, and the market was going down like that. And you know what, since the market just broke out of that, you can see the market just broke out of that, which means the market is out of that bearish momentum. So if we were looking for only sell positions only, it means now we're changing that. The market is no longer going down. Now the market might start to do it, to push the upside, but still the market can still do whatever it wants. So we don't have any control over that. But the best thing that we can do is we make sure that we follow the structure, we follow the strategy. Even if maybe we lose, mostly it's gonna be like we lose almost 20%. You see, we only lose 20% of the time, most of the time. So it means this is not enough. Actually, it's not really bad. So mostly then we're going to win 80% of the time. Why? Because every day when we do this analysis, you can see the resistance. I mean, you can see this resistance, and you can see where the market was respecting. So it means if we were following this, you were just going to eat. And still, even if you follow this, sometimes you're going to get some fake moves. But if it's not a fake move, it means that we will be in profit. Don't forget that even yesterday we did eat on the market. So we actually lost on, I think we actually lost on Tuesday, when the market went down. But from there, from Wednesday, Thursday, we did have some very nice trades, you see. So it means since we have our 2 weeks straight, we only lost once, which is great. So yeah, I think maybe this is quite straightforward. The market just broke out of that. Maybe what might happen is, if maybe you don't want to jump in the market straight up, there is a possibility that the market might do something like this. There's a possibility that the market might just retest before going up. But I think otherwise on this one. Why? Because around this area we had something like a resistant. So the market, even if it pushes lower, it might not go lower as much. So, and we can see the market already created double candles, 1, 2, and they all opened going up. It shows that the market is actually pushing to the upside, you see. So which makes this one very clear. We have a resistance around this area. So even if it pushes lower, it might come around this area and push up again. But anyways, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Anything can happen. So there is nothing that we can say, and we can say, oh, it's forced to push up. No, the market is not forced, and it can go anywhere. As long as we know that we're going to win most of the times, then that is better than nothing. That is better than nothing. So let's move to the next one, which is oil. Okay, it's not oil. It's working. It's gold. It's gold, guys. It's gold. It's gold. It's gold. It's gold. So, what's really happening on gold? It's straightforward. Also, let me just remove this type of move. So, I mean this structure, because I don't want it to distract you on the structure. So, what's really happening here is, let me also remove this. So what's really happening is the market was actually on a wedge. We can see the market was going down and was respecting that nicely. And around this area, we also have something like a support area. Do you see that? So the market was just consolidating between these areas. So why was the market doing that? Maybe the market did, we did not have enough bullish and we did not have enough bearish momentum. So the market will just play around. But when the other one is stronger than the other, it's where we will see the market pushing up. It's like if we have enough buyers in the market, people who are going to buy, let's say gold, we will see the market pushing up. Or maybe fundamentals and stuff like that. Economic news, we know they always all over the place. Then that might also push the market to the upside. But what we see at the moment is we see a very nice structure. Let me zoom this for you. We see a very nice structure. Actually, the structure, it shows us that, you know what, guys, I just broke out of this area. You can see this area. We never had a candlestick which properly closed above that. Now we see, and this is 2 hours, just because I wanted to see this breakout very nicely. We see that the market just broke out of that nicely. And again, this looks like what? A retest. This is a retest, obviously. If the market pushes up, it will find our order ready. Then what we can do is we can just have that buy pending order. If the market pushes up, it's gonna go up and trigger our or activate our order. Then we might be in a very nice profit. And it's Friday. We are not forced to trade. You are not forced to trade. So you can just relax. It's Friday, relax. So you don't have to force to be in the market, because mostly Mondays and Fridays, the market will just do its thing, guys. The market will do its thing, and the market mostly doesn't react normally like what we do, what we see maybe during the week, like Tuesday up to Thursday. You see, so I hope you can understand that. So, guys, if there's no opportunity, stay out of the market. If you took a position and you lose, stay out of the market. You see, if those things are the ones that they're going to help you to stay longer in the game. When you lose, you stay out. Even, you see, we made profit when we were on live sessions, but we also had some losses in our group because the market was just going up and down, because there's other signals that we send in the group. I mean, the private group that I send as signals, which you can easily join. You can easily join if you want to join. So we also had some losses because the market was reacting like seriously crazy because of Fed statements and stuff like that. So when the market does something like that, sometimes you have to stay out of the market. Just because I send the signal in the group, that doesn't mean that you are forced to take the trades. You know the state of your account. You know that, oh, I lost much, so I need to bring back because sometimes when you lose, you trigger your emotions. You might end up maybe over trading. So the best thing that you can do is stay out of the market maybe for a day or maybe 2 days. You did not miss anything, guys. If you stay out of the market, it's not like maybe you're losing. No, you can still come back in 2 days and still continue with some nice position. And what we want is the mindset should be fresh. Your mindset should be like extra fresh, so that whatever that you see in the market is not going to be influenced by your emotions, your greediness. Then that way, it's how we try to trade. So this is what I do when I lost. I don't usually send the trades in the group. Why? Because it's something that I want my student to see. If we took a loss, we need to stay out. Some student or some people, they will be saying, send signals. Do you see this? Just because people, they don't really sleep. They wake up early in the morning on the chart, and they just stay there on the chart. They stay on the chart until late. They just want to trade all the time. Staying on the chart the whole day doesn't guarantee you to make money. Whatever that guarantees you to make money is when you see that opportunity. So you can stay the whole day and not see that opportunity. So which means the more you stay on the chart, sometimes you will see false opportunities that you're going to take, and you're increasing your losses. Actually, you will just increase the losses. So the best thing that you can do is sometimes try to get out of the market. Making money, we can make money with only 2 signals. You see, what my point is, you can make enough money with very few signals. So having like 20 signals or 30 signals per week doesn't guarantee money, you see. So you have to get those opportunities for you to make money. So in a month, you might find that only 4 signals that the ones which paid us enough. So you start to see that actually you are not forced to trade every day. You start to see that actually it's where you start to learn that, oh, I can still make money with only 2 signals. It means I am not supposed to rush the market because I can still make money. I hope you learned something from that. So what do we see on US oil? US oil is showing us that, you know what, guys, I just broke out of this area. I'm just broke out of that support area. The support area was just pushing up nicely, which showed us that, you know what, guys, I'm pushing to the upside. So once that is broken, we see that the market just broke out of that. So once that is broken, we need to think twice, or maybe more than twice, and say, you know what, it means the market is actually no longer on that bullish momentum, unless that if it's a fake breakout. But this is not a fake breakout. We can see the market doing something like this. Actually, the market is actually consolidating. So, but still, even if it's consolidating, our main decision is on what? On a sell position, because we broken out of that support area, which means now the market might change the trend. And if the market is going to change the trend, it means maybe we might start to see something like this, where the market might start to create something like that, you see. But at the moment, the market is creating something like a consolidation there. So what we're going to do is, let's have a support around this area. And if the market breaks out of that, it's where we can say, okay, now it seems like this thing is it's ready to sell. We can sell with it. Or maybe if it pushes up, it's where we're supposed to just relax and wait for a lower high. Maybe it will create something like this before pushing lower. But at the moment, this market is still playing around. It's still like seriously consolidating. This is seriously consolidating, so you don't need to be there. We are not forced to be in the market when it creates something like that, you see. So let's move to the next one. I'm hoping that you're smashing that subscribe button, guys. So we have another one here, which is US30. So on US30, we have a structure like this. Let me clear this. That is old. So if you still remember yesterday, the market was pushing very nicely to the lower side, if you still remember. And we said if the market breaks out of that, it's where we can do what? We can have a very nice sell. Then the market, yes, did sell, went into a bit small profit, but I don't remember, I did not send the signal for that. I was talking here, I think we were on live. Yeah, I think we were on live session. We were on live session. We were on live session when I said something like that. So what's really happening here is the market, you see this market sometimes, it's unpredictable and it's fine. So what's really happened here is we had a very nice resistant area, which showed us that, you know what, the market is actually pushing to the lower side. You can see the market did touch this area, did touch these areas. But also, we see that the market was also pushing lower. That confirmed everything that was going down. The market was going down, right? So after that, now we see a breakout. I think this happened later. I did not even look at the market. The market happened late. We can see that the market broke out of that. I did not see that, obviously. So the market broke out of this area. We can see that the breakout was here, closed above that resistance. Unfortunately, we did not see this. Obviously, maybe it was late. Then after, the market pushed up, created some sort of some support area. And when we look at our left area there, we can easily see that, oh, this area was a resistance and the market created something like that. So the market came back and create some sort of rejection around that area before we see the market pushing up. So it means maybe at the moment the market changed our direction. So it means if we're looking for sell positions only, we no longer look for sell positions. Now we have to get a nice structure for us to do what? To able to buy this thing going up, because we don't really go against the trend. We don't go against the trend. Trend is our friend. So what we can do is let's find the higher low where we can continue to do what? To buy. Simple as that. We don't have to complicate things. So let's see what's happening on NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is also giving us the same thing. If you still remember yesterday, the market was respecting this area. I think NASDAQ did move, but not that much. The move that we can say it moved is when the market broke out of that support area, then pushed up again. But anyway, on the market open, we did make money. So, but what's changed is something that changed is when the market, you can see when we bought around this area, the market pushed up, then we started to have this sell-off. The sell-off broke out of the support area, then very quickly, then the market pushed up. But we can see that again, that area was seriously actually important. You can see that. Then the market came back and respect that area and start to consolidate. But for now, I think we have a breakout there. We have a nice breakout. We can see the market closed above that area. And now it seems like the market is trying to push lower again. So is this a fake breakout or what? I don't think it's a fake breakout. So what we can do is, if it seems to be a fake breakout, it means, let me remove this. I think it's no longer important that much. Let me draw something like this. So we might have something like this. So for us to say maybe we need to buy this thing, we have two options. Remember, we are outside of our bearish move, which makes this thing now to look for the bullish momentum. Why? Because we just break out of that area. And even if the market just went up and down, it means, yes, even if it's like that, but we have to look for what? For a nice bullish structure that maybe we can buy it. So at the moment I see a breakout. Obviously, the market just closed above that. What I can do is we might have something like this as a buy pending order. if the market is seriously on a bullish momentum, it means that the market might come back again and push up. If not, it means maybe the market might come back here and maybe create some sort of consolidation, or maybe it might even push lower up to this area, maybe before pushing up. But for my people out there, for everyone out there, look at this structure, guys. It's not an easy thing to trade at. The structure is not straightforward. That's why I like to trade on trends. Look at the simplest structure that we saw there. This is the structure that we're supposed to trade at. Mostly when the market creates something like this, it's when the market wants us to lose. The market will just consolidate. Then you don't even know which direction the market might take. Then the market might keep going lower, or maybe it might do something like this and push up. So the best thing that we can do is let's stay out of the consolidation move and stick to an uptrend or a downtrend like this one. Simple as that. So guys, for those who want to join my team, here we have some very affordable prices. You can see them. If you want to join this winning team, you can just let me know. WhatsApp me. You can also Telegram me if you want to join the team. Monthly subscription, it's $35. That covers the signals, and 150 lifetime. It's where I'm going to teach you, and also the signals. You're going to get the signals. Signal indicator. It's only $60. Actually, it will provide you with the signals on your MetaTrader 4. Simple as that. So yeah, guys, so what we can do is let's meet later on when we go live. And it's Friday. If we don't see anything, it's fine. We're not going to fight the market since we don't really control the market. So yeah, I think everything's great. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.